In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a rich text block in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want to place the content. A rich text block is useful when you need a flexible content area that can hold multiple types of text formatting in one element, like paragraphs, headings, quotes, and links. It's especially helpful for blog posts, articles, or any content that needs more structure than a simple text element. Once your project is open, press A on your keyboard to open the Add panel on the left side of the screen. This is where Webflow keeps all the elements you can place onto your page. In the Add panel, scroll down until you reach the typography section. There, you'll find the rich text element. When you see it, click and drag the rich text block onto your canvas and place it wherever you want it to appear in your layout. If you want a faster method, you can also use Quick Find. On Mac, press Command and E, and on Windows, press Ctrl and E. Then type rich text and insert it directly from there. Either method gets you the same result, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable. After the rich text block is on the page, double-click it to begin editing. This allows you to work directly inside the element. When you highlight text, an inline toolbar will appear. From there, you can apply formatting like bold, italics, or inline links. This makes it easy to style text without leaving the editing area. If you highlight text inside a paragraph, you can also change it into a heading, from H1 through H6, or turn it into a block quote. This is useful for creating a clear content hierarchy and making longer sections easier to read. For more visual control, open the Style panel by clicking the paintbrush icon. In the Style panel, you can adjust spacing, typography, and colors, so the rich text block matches the rest of your site design. If you are working with CMS content and want the rich text block to display dynamic content, select the rich text element on your canvas first. Then open the Element Settings panel using the gear icon on the right side. Under the Content section, click the purple dot icon and choose the specific rich text field from your collection. This connects the element to your CMS data so it automatically pulls in the correct content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.